What is the crack? It has been a long time, a little bit over a year since I last put up a video on this YouTube channel, but I'm back with a LANY tutorial. They just put out a song about 2 weeks ago called Dancing in the Kitchen, and I like it. I'm not going to lie, I was not a big fan of their last album, Mama's Boy. I did a couple of tutorials from it, but none of the tracks really grabbed me the way that their previous tracks had. So yeah, I really like the sound of this song and excited to show you how to play it. So just before I get to the tutorial, let me catch you up. I've written lots of music and I've released some music under the name 4 Nights, and in 2 days' time my debut EP is coming out. It's called Bed. A lot of you will not have heard of it, so I wouldn't expect you to buy it, but it is on all of the major streaming platforms and the link is below if you want to have a listen. I'd appreciate that. But anyway, to the tutorial. Dancing in the Kitchen by LANY is in their usual style of song. It's very, very simple with not a lot of chords. First of those chords for the intro slash verse slash chorus slash hook is an F sharp major, which is just an F sharp, A sharp and C sharp. And that moves quickly into a B major, looking like this, which is a B, F sharp, B, D sharp. That slips into a different kind of D sharp minor. Okay, that's D sharp, F sharp. Usually a D sharp minor would also have this A sharp, but in this song it's not played, so it's just. And that resolves to an E major, which is E. I like to play a B, E, G sharp, and a B. And once you have all of those chords, they're kind of played like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part of the song then, where there's the only difference is the pre-chorus, and that's where he sings, I could spend 1,000 miles with you inside this room. A little bit low. First chord there is a C sharp minor 7, okay, which is C sharp, E, G sharp, and B. And that flows into a D sharp minor 7, which is D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, and a C sharp up here. And again, that slightly resolves to an E major 7, which is just E, G sharp, B, and D sharp. Altogether it looks like this. I could spend 1,000 miles with you inside this room. And as far as I'm aware, in terms of like bass piano, that is the entire song. Enjoy.